Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Today's tutorial is embeds. Embeds are perfect for creating multicolored foam. You can put them in any size bath bomb for an explosion of color in the water. Add wet in slowly while whisking. The slower the better. Then rub mix between your hands to make sure ingredients are evenly distributed and fully incorporated. For multiple colors, divide mix and add color powder to each. Cover extra mix that's not being used to slow drying. This is an embed maker. The mold comes with 2 plates, one flat one and one with protruding blocks. Fill the mold with the flat plate on bottom. Pack the mold and make the top as flat as possible. Once the mold is packed all the way, place the other plate on top. From there, squeeze the entire mold together. I found a very effective way of doing this without straining my wrists, and I wanted to share it with you, but please know that this is not proper use of the mold. Once packed on one side, I flip it over and then pack it again. After, I switch the 2 plates, then pack it once more. These embeds are going to be well packed and very sturdy. Once the mold has been fully packed, take both plates off. You'll notice one side is sunken in a bit more than the other. Place the sunken side face down on the plate with the blocks and push down. Once the embeds come out just a bit, pack them back in. This makes the embeds even stronger. Now, push down one side at a time until the embeds rise. Once the embeds are halfway out, you can push the entire mold down to release the embeds. Place them on a flat surface and dry for 24 hours. Place embeds inside the bomb. Add fresh mix between layers of embeds so that the bomb doesn't fall apart. You can use embeds in any size mold. Embeds are the best option for making multicolored foam. They are small and compact and can be crammed together for an explosion of color in the tub. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration.